Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to link your YouTube channel to your Reddit account. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and click in settings, guys. Now here you want to click in profile and then scroll down to social links and click on that. Now you want to look for YouTube in the list, or you can search for it. But once you find it, just simply go ahead and click on YouTube. Then from here, you want to go ahead and just type a display name. So I can type, for example, Drew. For example, let's say that's a channel, and then you can enter the YouTube URL. As you can see, it shows you how it should look. So you can enter the URL like that, click and save. Now, once you do that, click and save again, and that's pretty much it. You can now view your profile. If you click your profile again, simply click and view profile, it will show in your profile that your YouTube is linked there. So how to find that, guys? You simply scroll down to this right hand side and you will find social links. This is going to show your account as well, so they can click on that and it's going to take them over to that YouTube channel, right? So that's how you can actually do it. And you will see that here you can see that this is the YouTube channel. Now, if you go back here as well, you can see that you can add more social links. So if you click on add social links, it's going to take you right back into the settings where you'll find social links. You'll need to click on it again and just basically find what you want to add there. And that's pretty much it, guys.